Welcome back to part 3 of the workshop. If you're new here, I am Ashley, and on this channel I discuss skincare business, technical side, formula sheets, how to start it, how to calculate stuff, how to record stuff using technology that's available to us. So if you're interested in that, keep watching, subscribe. Also, if you haven't watched the previously recorded part 1 and part 2, go ahead and check them out. If you just want to know what this one is about, then keep watching. So previously we discussed the researching your product, what I would do, if I was just now starting a skincare business, and I also talked about how to build out your product catalog and how much product you will need and where to start. So now we're going to discuss what to put your products in. So in this video, we're going to talk about what to put your products in, how to start selling it, right? Like what's the next step after that. Okay, so after you've done the research, build out your product catalog, the first thing you want to think about is what type of packaging you want to have. And usually your packaging is like a reflection of your brand. So we have different types of packaging. You have glass, you have plastic, you have recyclable packaging. So it's based on the theme that you're going for, the aesthetic that you're going for, and what you care about as a person and what you want your brand to care about. So that's how you go for your packaging. Usually in the beginning, packaging can be a bit pricey, so you want to start with simple, cute, but still in line with your goals and focus for the future of the business. So maybe you want to start with plastic packaging. This is very popular, and it's very popular because it's cheap and you can literally get a bulk amount of it for an affordable price without breaking the bank. So a lot of people start with that, and that is perfectly fine. I do have a list below of vendors that include packaging vendors. There's some common ones out there. Maybe there's a few that you might never heard of. They're also included as well. So you can definitely click the below and check that out. Then the next thing you want to think about, some people like glass. Glass gives it a much more like sophisticated feeling. It gives it like this rich vibe, like I'm expensive. That's why I used glass, and I also didn't want to use plastic because I wanted to kind of be like recyclable. I didn't want to affect the environment that much, so that's why I used glass. And if that's what you're going for and you want that look, then go ahead and use glass as well. You have dark packaging, black packaging, where most of the recyclable ones are black. I'm not sure what's the reason for that, but a lot of them are black and brown. That's mostly what you get, the black cardboard or the brown looking one. So I was never a fan of the cardboard one. It looks better recyclable. The only recyclable brown packaging that I would go towards is bamboo. However, bamboo is not, I don't think is very attainable. I don't think bamboo is something that you just go and buy. Bamboo, to me, if you're getting bamboo packaging, I would say start off with probably plastic or glass before, and then start researching your bamboo packaging supplier from Alibaba, not AliExpress. You go to Alibaba so you can get it in a bulk. AliExpress, yes, if you want to get it really small, but definitely go to Alibaba where you can get a bulk. You can speak with the manufacturer directly and get exactly what you're looking for. So that's my tip, right? So let's go over that. So you have glass, plastic, you have recyclables, and you have bamboo, right? So now that's out of the way, you got your packaging out of the way. Like I said previously, click the link below of vendors and suppliers that you may want to go over. Maybe you'll find some packaging that you're looking for. Honestly, these are the packagings that a lot of people use, so it's all there for you. So now you have your packaging. So the next part of packaging that you want to go over is your labels. Labels. I think a lot of people overthink labels, and in this workshop I'm going to have another video that goes in depth about labels and how to create it, and step by step. For this one, we'll do like a little snippet. So you want to think about your labels. Simple, cute, straight to the point, if that's what you're going for. Your label should match your brand. When they look at it, they should know that this is you. Brand colors, wording, text. When they look at it, they should say, okay, this is Skin Bakery's product, right? When they look at it, that's what they should see. They should know that it is you. If you're in the beginning, low budget, you do not have the mental capacity or the creativity to create your own packaging, I'm pretty sure there's people who can create it, and everybody will tell you go here, go here, go there. If you're on a low budget, you don't have the ability to do that. So go on Fiverr, whatever it's called, type in product label design. You can get these designs for as low as $10. You can get the templates and go ahead and make your packaging. However, if you do not have $5 at the moment, go on Canva and create your packaging. Like, I feel like a lot of people sleep on Canva. There's so much you can create with it in the beginning of the business that will not cost you much. It will cost, as a matter of fact, you can create your labels on Canva with, I think, like the basic plan. However, as I'm recording this, Canva decreased their price. I don't know why. Maybe it's for the summer, but they decreased their price to $6.50. I just got a notification. I don't know how long that is for, but definitely check it out and use it to create your labels, you know, your posts, everything. Use Canva to your advantage. Don't let all these professionals, because I keep seeing these professionals talking about, oh, you know, you need professional packaging. I'm pretty sure that's their selling point, but even though that's their selling point, try not to let that lure you in. If you are on a budget, you are trying to save money, you are trying to cut costs, no shame in your game. Go on Canva and develop your own packaging. You can get basic packaging. You can put the details in how you want it and make it look how you want it to look in the beginning. So as time progresses, you may want different packaging. And with that, what you do is you can probably go ahead and pay a professional or someone who's more versed in graphic design to create a package for you for more money, and that's fine. Or you can keep the package that you have. Whichever one you choose, that's all up to you, but I'm just giving you these tips to help you so you don't have to like break the bank in the beginning. The next thing you want to do when you're purchasing your label paper, make sure it's the correct size for the container that you choose, right? So try not to purchase it too long or too short, so that way it can fit around your packaging. So what I'm going to do in the next I wouldn't say the next video, but I'll post an extension of this explaining the size of packaging, the size of label for each, you know, the jars that I've used, and that could probably help you. I'll also, you know, let me know. I think I'm also going to post a video on how to actually create your packaging on Canva, you know, Canva templates, right? All right, so now let's go on to the next part of this video.